Welcome back everybody. So today we are going to be making a beaded bowl using sapele. So we're just quickly marking out for the mortise there. And now we're going to turn it round using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Now this is the mid-size rougher, just redefining the shape. Okay, now we're on to the Easy Wood Tools negative rake beading cutters. These will fit onto any cutter that accepts a CI2 carbide cutter. This one is the 1/4 inch one. They come in 4 different sizes, which include 1/8 inch, 3/16, 1/4 inch, and 3/8. I'm just going around the bowl at the moment. Okay, now we're going to use the mid-size detailer just to start making the mortise. I'm going in with the number 1 hollower, and then the rougher to flatten off at the bottom of it, and then flatten off the bottom, and then the detailer just to match the angle for the dovetail of the chuck. Now we're going to do a little bit of sanding. Really don't need much because them being a negative rake. They're fantastic, these the negative rake cutters. Obviously, being negative rake, they're great for resins as well. Just cleaning the wood there with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some cellulose sanding sealer. And we got some Yorkshire grip from Easy Wood Tools. There'll be links in the description as to where you can buy that. You put that on until the paper towel comes off perfectly clean. And there you go. You've got the equivalent of 1,000 grit. So the next step is microcrystalline wax. Just making sure you've got nice even coverage, and buff it into around 1000 to 1200. Look at that chatoyance. Okay, now we're going to get to hollowing the inside. So we're going to start off with the number 1 hollower, also known as the CI5. And a mid-size finisher. Alright, so we're going to do some sanding. This is 240 grit, but I actually started with 120. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the sawdust off. Some bit of sanding sealer. Once again, some Yorkshire Grit Original. And then finishing it off once again with some microcrystalline wax. There will be some stills at the end of the video. If you like these voiceovers, I'm beginning to feel a bit more comfortable doing them. Please leave us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.